But first, in breaking news, a court in Bangladesh has sentenced 7 people to death for one of the worst attacks in the country's history. 22 people died in the siege on the Holey Artisan cafe in the capital Dhaka in 2016. Nearly all the victims are foreigners. An 8th person has been acquitted. Tanvir Chowdhury joins us live now from the Bangladeshi capital. The incident happened in 2016 and justice has been dispensed in 2019. A fairly swift judicial process then.
Well, first, let me tell you about the acquittal. Like 7 people were given death sentence and 1 was acquitted in this particular case, but he's serving 10 years for another particular case. The courtroom was packed. We couldn't go in. I was by the door. As you can see, all the medias and other curious and observers are here. It has been almost nearly 2 years now. It took a long time for the proceeding. Little over 100 people gave deposition and witnesses. And since then, at least dozens of people were killed in encounters with security forces. Some of them were accused related to this case, members of militant groups who supposedly were connected to the the gunmen who attacked the Holey Artisan cafe. Now, while these accused were taken away by the jail, then they were yelling out that justice was not given and carry on the jihad, things like that, some Arabic chant which I couldn't understand, but I could figure out they were saying that justice wasn't done, carry out your jihad. Now, lots of people have been accused and nearly thousands of people are behind bar under militancy and different kind of affiliation with Islamic jihad here. Now, the government has been denying that most of these people are not affiliated with IS or the Daesh rather, but they're local militants. Some of them have affiliation with Al-Qaeda, but they're completely on denial of the fact that these were influenced by IS from outside, while those particular 5 people who were killed in the cafe incident, they uploaded their picture, which was on Daesh side. Site intelligence claimed, the Daesh claimed that those 5 were directly affiliated with IS during that attack. It was one of the worst attack or terror attack in Bangladesh's history.
Indeed, and the significance then of this attack, did that influence the pace at which the wheels of justice turned in this particular matter?
Absolutely. I mean, they've set up a special tribunal called Anti-Terrorist Court. They also set up a special unit for international anti-terrorism. Several police elite units were trained into a special operation to tackle this militancy. It has been subdued to an extent. Also, there's been some criticism against the law enforcement agencies, saying that some innocent victims of other drug crime and other issues were also killed during encounter. Plus, usually the media don't have access to these accused once they're detained or killed. We don't know exactly who these people are other than what the police hand us out during this investigation. Today is probably the first time we heard, but we still don't know the detail. What were the accusations? How were they involved? Were they actually affiliated with any particular international terrorist or militant organization? Were those 5 who were involved in the terror attack, who were killed during the storming by commandos, where they have any affiliation with these 8 accused? We still don't know fully because, okay. So, but the verdict has been given. It was rather quick in Bangladeshi standard, 2 years, and you have the verdict now.
Right, Tanvir, thanks for that. Tanvir Chowdhury there reporting live on that breaking news that sentences have been handed down in that case involving a siege on a cafe in 2016.